Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $374.13 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 368.19 382.11. The earlier day close, 381.48. The change was 7.35, 1.93%. Opposite rate, OS to BCH. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $228. Exorbitant cost $244, while low cost $212. The found the middle value of cost $228. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $228. Change for October's and 0.0%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $228. Exorbitant cost $228, while low cost $179. The found the middle value of cost $207. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $192. Change for November 15.8%. Bitcoin cash figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at $192. Excessive cost $239, while low cost $192. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $212. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $223. Change for December 16th. 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at $223. Excessive cost $277, while low cost $223. The found the middle value of cost $246. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $259. Change for January 16th. 1%. Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at $259. Exorbitant cost $284, while low cost $246. The found the middle value of cost $264. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $265. Change for February 2nd. 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for WOG 2025. To start with cost at $265. Exorbitant cost $328, while low cost $265. The found the middle value of cost $291. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $307. Change for spring 15.8%. Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at $307. Exorbitant cost $337, while low cost $293. The found the middle value of cost $313. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $315. Change for April 2nd. 6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at $315. Exorbitant cost $353, while low cost $307. The found the middle value of cost $326. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $330. Change for May 4th. 8%. Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at $330. Exorbitant cost $398, while low cost $330. The found the middle value of cost $358. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $372. Change for June 12th. 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $372. Excessive cost $414, while low cost $360. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $383. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $387. Change for July 4th. 0%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at $387. Excessive cost $430, while low cost $374. The found the middle value of cost $398. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $402. Change for August 3rd. 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $402. Exorbitant cost $499, while low cost $402. The found the middle value of cost $442. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $466. Change for September 15th. 9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $466. Excessive cost $503, while low cost 437. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 469. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 470, change for October 0.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $470. Excessive cost 509, while low cost 443. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 475. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 476, change for November 1st, 3%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at $476. Exorbitant cost 476, while low cost 414. They found the middle value of cost 453. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 445, change for December 6.5%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $445. Exorbitant cost 470, while low cost 408. They found the middle value of cost 441. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 439, change for January 1.3%. Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at $439. Exorbitant cost 545, while low cost 439. They found the middle value of cost 483. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 509, change for February 15th, 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at $509. Exorbitant cost 509, while low cost 403. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 464. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 433, change for spring 14.9%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at $433. Excessive cost 456, while low cost 396. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 428. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 426, change for April 1.6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $426. Exorbitant cost 437, while low cost 379. They found the middle value of cost 413. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 408, change for May 4.2%. Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2026. In the first place cost at $408. Exorbitant cost 456, while low cost 396. They found the middle value of cost 422. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 426, change for June 4th, 4%. Us to be